everybody. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. I am here to show you a recipe that I'm going to do, but I'm going to come back and show you my ingredients and everything. But thanks for joining and thanks for subscribing. Tell your friends and family to come in and join us, and let's learn how to do some cooking together. So I have not been doing this cooking channel very long. I started about August of 2020. However, I've had a YouTube channel since about March of 2019. But I'm just trying to develop the cooking channel as of August. So come in and tell your friends about me and the channel, and we are going to have some fun here. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll be right back. Hi, this is Patty, and I'm back, and I will be showing you how I am making my spaghetti casserole. I have some fresh ground chuck, and it was only $4.72. It is a nice looking ground chuck package. And I will be using 16 ounces of spaghetti. So I will boil the spaghetti, and I will fry the meat, brown it, and the seasonings that I will put in the meat to brown it will be the green onions, some fresh parsley, 2 medium-sized yellow onions, and I have about a half a piece of green pepper, bell pepper, and I have some Italian chicken sausages that I'm going to cut in little circles and fry as well to mix in with my spaghetti, my pasta. And I have this mild cheddar that I'm going to use. Also, I will be using about 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of cottage cheese, and about an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Okay, this is the sour cream, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and this is the cream cheese that I'm going to use to put in my sauce, and I'm going to put a little bit of cottage cheese as well. I'm going to mix it up with my sauce, and I have Ragu to use. If I don't have enough Ragu, I have some tomato sauce and tomato paste to add to it. And I will be baking it on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. But I'm going to go on right now, cut up all of my seasonings, my vegetables, and I'm going to season and brown my ground chuck. And after I do that, I'll put that in a bowl, and then I will cut these Italian chicken sausages in circles and mix that with my ground chuck, and then I will be doing my sauce. But I'll come back and show you what we have going in Patty's kitchen. This is the Italian sausage that I am browning, you can see here. And this is the ground chuck that I've already browned with the seasonings. So I'm going to pour all of this in together. And instead of keeping my sausage in half, in circles, I cut them in half after I cut the circles. So this is all of the meats and veggies. And in this pot, I have my sauce, and I'm going to add my cream cheese, sour cream, and cottage cheese. And I'm going to put butter in the pan, and I will layer the pasta in the pan on top of butter, and then I will pour some of this over with the meat and everything in it, and then I'll layer it and put cheese and more pasta, and then put the remaining of the pasta on top, and then I'll put it in the oven, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back to show you what I'm doing thus far. I put some butter in the bottom of my pan here. Then I put pasta. Then I put my sauce, and I sprinkled some cheese on top. Now I'm going to put my next layer of pasta on top, just like so. Gonna spread this on top. Okay, spread it like so, all over. Okay, now I'm going to pour the rest of the sauce on top. Tell me what you all think about this. This is going to be delicious. Want to get all of this covered, all of the pasta covered. This is a simple dish. Get all of this out. And I have every bit of the pasta covered. Now, I'm going to sprinkle some more cheese on top and put it in the oven. And I already have my oven heating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I think I have everything about covered here. Okay, it's going in the oven. Let's spread that. This is the spaghetti casserole. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven, and when I take it out, I'll come back and show you the end results. Hi, this is Patty, and welcome back. This is the end results. Look at this of the spaghetti casserole. I put it in the oven for 30 minutes on 375 degrees. Now, let me tell you some things that I didn't tell you at first. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar in the sauce, and the amount of sauce that I used was 23.9 ounces of Ragu, and it was the meat flavored Ragu, and I didn't have to add any additional sauce or tomato paste or anything like that. I added a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese, a 1/4 cup of, sour cream. I'm sorry, I had a moment then. And I added, instead of 8 ounces of cream cheese, I added 4 ounces of cream cheese, 16-ounce pack of spaghetti, and I did the ground beef. It was about 1.5 pounds, and 4 nice sized chicken Italian sausages. So this is the end result. As I said, I did use some yellow onion, a couple of yellow onions, medium size, 4 stalks of green onions, a little handful of parsley, and of course I seasoned my meat, and half of a bell pepper. I seasoned my meat with Chef Paul Prudhomme's poultry seasoning. I used a little pepper, some salt-free Chef Paul Prudhomme's seasonings, onion powder, and garlic powder, and I seasoned that to taste. So it's no measurements there. I just put in some and just taste, and that's what you will need to do. Just season your food to taste, because everybody's taste buds is different. So they're different. So just season to taste. So I'm going to plate up some of this casserole and let you see it. Look at that. Look at the cheese. I used 8 ounces of cheese, mild cheddar, and I layered it in between the pasta. Let me get some pasta on this plate. I'm going to let Tyler be my tester, okay? Now, let me show you what I have plated. Trying to get some of this pasta here on the plate. And look at that. It looks delicious. Look at that. So I am going to move the pan and put it on the stove and let Tyler be the tester here. Okay, Tyler? Go on and taste it and tell us what it tastes like. It's hot. Let him see that fork. Okay. And all of that cheese. Oh my. Chicken Italian sausage.
This is so delicious. It is so delicious.
Oh, wow. I know it is. And how does that chicken Italian sausage taste?
It tastes so good with the spaghetti.
Okay, so this is the spaghetti casserole. You must try it. I will drop the recipe in the description box when I upload. And if you like my videos, please share, follow, like, and by all means, subscribe and tap that notification bell so that you can be notified of the uploads. So we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your comments. And we will see you soon. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye.